We are out here today for Fire Ecology, which is an upper level elective in biology and environmental sciences. The students are learning about how fire affects ecosystems. And fire is a very important management tool. And so we're out here on a portion of the Oconee National Forest, and we are taking a look at a site before they burn it. And if everything works out, then we will come back after it's burned, and they will look at the same sites before and after a prescribed fire. One of the things the students are looking at is what are the fuels at the particular site that they're in. And so there are fine fuels, things like these standing dead grasses. We've got lots of, not a lot of leaf litter, but some leaf litter, sticks. There's even some coarser woody debris, like these downed trees. One thing I asked them to do is to choose a site and to sketch the site. And taking a picture is good as well, but sketching is really nice because it forces your brain to pick out the important details. And if everything works well, we will come back to the same sites after the fire, and they can sketch again and compare their two sketches and see how these fuels have changed.
We like looking at the vegetation, so we noticed there was a lot more moss in the area. And since it is wintertime, all of this like pine straw, which is what we usually classify as like 1 hour fuels, is all around the area. So if the fire does reach over here, it'll have a lot of quick stuff to burn through. And then the like larger logs around the area, we call those, depending on the width and the size, 10 hour or 100 hour fuels. So a few of them are scattered throughout, so they would provide a decently long burn.
We will be burning just around 2,000 acres today. We're burning to improve forest health and manage our forests. I wasn't sure what I wanted to major in when I started at Georgia College. I was a biology major, then realized that I wanted to do environmental science, and that was a really great choice for me. I got to take a lot of really great classes, being Dr. Snyder's Fire Ecology class. I learned a lot about not just fire ecology, but the Forest Service in general, and his class helped me learn basically how all the important work that the Forest Service does.
Today, we are at a spot on the Oconee National Forest that we have visited earlier in the semester, and we are looking at the effects of the prescribed fire that took place here a couple of weeks ago.
So this right now is what it looked like. You can't really tell, but there were definitely like some fire scars in some of these trees, and there was definitely a lot more vegetation out here during that time, but now you can see like more fire scars in the trees, and then there's a lot of char and ash and soot, and there's a lot of resprouting and vegetation.
None of this was here last time. Fire ecology, I have loved it. Honestly, it's everything I thought it was going to be. We've learned all of the fire effects on an ecosystem. We've gotten to be in the field multiple times and really see that pre-burn, post-burn evaluation stuff. And I've just really enjoyed it overall. It's been a great class.